Hello Cougars, this is Nate at Absolute Mortgage. I want to thank you for coming by our booth at Cougs First, and thanks for entering our iPad Pro giveaway contest. Absolute Mortgage is your local lender. We have locations all across the greater Puget Sound area. We've been doing business here for over 20 years, so if you are looking to buy or refinance, we are a wonderful option. Please look into us. All right, and without further ado, the winner of our iPad Pro 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi plus cellular enabled iPad, Kelsie Mosebar. It's you. Congratulations, Kelsie. You have won our iPad Pro. Everyone else, thank you. Please follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, all the social medias, and have a really wonderful day. Thanks.